Solana, SOL, was one of the hardest hit blockchains by the FTX collapse. Even now, more than a week after the initial bankruptcy, SOL continues to buckle under the weight of uncertainty left among its users and investors given Sam Bankman-Fried's (SBF) heavy involvement in the Solana blockchain. Will SOL continue to suffer, or is there a reprieve on the horizon for this digital asset? Even now, the reason for Solana's success is largely tied to its FTX/Alameda relationship. There is no telling if the blockchain would still have found the same level of success otherwise, but the investments of these companies played a major role in the accelerated growth in adoption. And now, the blockchain looks to be paying the price for it. FTX, although now bankrupt, still owns millions worth of SOL after purchasing 55 million tokens from the Solana Foundation. It is being released to FTX/Alameda through gradual unlocks that will happen through 2028, but it is this relationship that is hurting Solana right now. Every single token associated with FTX and Alameda research has already tanked in the last week, bringing SOL's price down toward 2-year lows. Uncertainties around whether FTX and Alameda would hold the tokens once they're unlocked or sell immediately also mounts sell pressure on the token as each unlock draws closer. SOL is already down more than 94% on a year-over-year basis, and the FTX collapse has not helped matters. The bank run on the exchange saw investors panic sell tokens such as FTT and SOL in large amounts in a bid to avoid any unforeseen losses.